All right, welcome to our weekend vlog. So we are getting ready to head out to go shopping to pick up a bunch of stuff at the store. Should I bring a jacket?
Well, it's pretty cold out there.
45.
And dropping. It's supposed to rain.
I guess I'll wear my orange jacket. All right. So let me set this down real fast. All right, sorry. So, yeah, so we're getting ready to go to town. We have to get the doorknobs, we have to get tile, and the grout for the tile, and mastic to put it onto the wall. What is the other stuff we have to get? Oh, we have to get the reclaimed wood that's going on the wall to do the dining room wall. And I think that's about it. So, but it's going to be freaking crazy probably because all these people with the coronavirus stuff. So Reed and I were just talking about it, and like one of his friends went to the store to go buy toilet paper for her grandma because her grandma was like where she lived was out of toilet paper. She was like, I'll go pick some up because I'm going to be out there this weekend. She's like, okay. So she went to go pick it up, and she picked up a thing for herself too. And this lady was like there yelling, like getting all angry with her and telling her like, you're the problem right here. You're taking all the products and blah, 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 blah. It was like throwing this fit about it. I'm like, people have gone coronavirus crazy, let me tell you. So hopefully it's not going to be too bad. That's why we're going kind of early. So hopefully we can beat a lot of the crazy traffic that's going to be going there. Now I'm thinking, I'm like, the other day we looked, I was like, do we have enough toilet paper? And then for the grout, I'm thinking this color. I think that one's gonna be too light. To me, that matches the color of the cabinets, which is what I don't know.
42.
So we need 158. Switching those ones for these one. Actually, it's that one, and then we threw in the white too. So we'll see how that looks. All right, good morning. It is Saturday. Rudy and I are getting ready to head out to go get the baseboards. And I don't have the list, I don't think. There it is. All right, let's go get them.
I actually have a mobile order for Jeremy.
For Jeremy?
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
million baseboards painted. I think there's 11 plus the ones that we already had. So got all those painted on the first coat. I will have to come back down later and do a second coat. But now we go upstairs and see what Rudy's doing upstairs. Bracket placement drill pilot. So we are getting the wall anchors now. We already put the metal up. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's 10 o'clock. And I was just kind of quickly, because I didn't go over a lot of what we did yesterday. So we got the blinds installed and they look really nice. And then we got the handles changed here and in the hallway, and Rudy got all of the, not all, but most of the not trim, what do we call those? Threshold pieces done. And this took way longer than we thought it was. We thought it was gonna be like super easy. I was like, oh, it's not gonna take very long. Oh, and I also got all of the baseboards painted. So they're all down in the basement. We were trying to decide because we're supposed to go to my sister's house this afternoon to have corned beef and cabbage for St. Patrick's Day. And so Rudy and I were trying to decide if we want to do any work today. And I think it's come to the conclusion that we are not doing anything today. Is that correct? And then I need to try at some point, try to get some vlog stuff done because I haven't done that at all either, so. And we're still waiting on school stuff. Like, I'm not sure if we're gonna cancel, if there's canceling school tomorrow or not. Last I heard was there was gonna be possibly a 2-hour delay or school cancellation because they are not going to be closing school at this point for the coronavirus. So for all you guys that are kind of wondering, like, but it's gonna be like, this is gonna be like a week and a half from now, so who knows what's gonna happen a week and a half from now. As of right now, they're still gonna keep school open per the health department. They think it's better to keep school open. I kind of see like the school's point of view behind it, which I'll get into more in the next vlog, but I get it, but it's still really scary being around all those germs. And so I get some of the school's issues with it, but at this point, that's what they're doing. So we have guidelines that we have to follow now, which when I know more about them, it probably won't be until the next vlog, but once I know more, then I'll share more with you guys. But at this point, last night we got a thing from a superintendent that said either it's gonna be a 2-hour delay or they're gonna be canceling tomorrow. So that way we can get a lot of guidelines in place before kids come back. So hey guys, so I'm back from my sister's house. We had a lot of fun. Like, it was nice. We just hung out, and so it was me, Rudy, my sister, her husband, and like her whole family. You know, my niece and nephew and all that good stuff. And my mom was there, and my other sister was there. So we just had like we sat, we talked, we just had like some social distancing, not following the rules type things. So, but we did have a good time, and then we had our corned beef and cabbage. So, okay, so, sorry, I'll have to get into this in a second. So we're just downstairs right now, and I'm upstairs working on some website stuff. I'm also watching Chronicles of Teacher Tay. If you have not watched Taylor's videos, you totally should, which is so funny because I just commented on his video, and then I just got a thing back that said he loved my comment. So, thank you, Taylor. So, if you haven't watched his videos are so funny. I actually seriously don't know how he only has like 700 followers. Like, he's really good. So if you haven't checked him out, go check him out. Chronicles of Teacher Tay. We don't have school tomorrow now, so we don't have school next week. But I'll go into all the details next week or on the next vlog. Just because I don't know what I don't know what this next week's gonna hold for me in this channel at this point. Because this is a teaching channel, and if I'm not teaching, what am I doing? And so it's not like I'm just on break. I am kind of like we don't know what to do at this point. But I'm actually going to close out for this vlog, so I hope you guys like what you saw. Hopefully it wasn't too boring on the weekend one, just because we didn't really do anything today. And I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot of, I think I'm going to try to, keep to my school hours in a way, where I'm going to work on teacher stuff during the week, maybe during the daytime, and just to kind of work from home on that area and, get stuff ready. And then also try to figure out, what I can even do with my students if we end up going back. So we're just kind of playing it by ear right now. The governor called it, but I'll go into more details on that later. So anyway, that was like a ramble again. So I'll talk to you guys later at another time. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like what you saw. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all of my social media that's listed down below. And until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.